these are a few ways you can improve your 3D prints. So first, let's load in the model. So the watch cases have been designed to be printed dial down, which is this way. No supports are needed. All the angles have been designed in a way that this can just print perfectly like this. There's no silly overhangs. Everything can print as it should. We're then going to keep layer height at 0.1 mil, keep all these the same. I'd highly recommend using Orca slicer. It just gives you a chance to use the scarf joint, which completely eliminates your Z seam. I've got a tip for if you're using a different platform. But if you're an Orca, let's have scarf joint on. Keep all these the same. Ironing. That on. Right, strength. Now, because it's only a small part, I always just max this out. It's not really going to be 50 walls, but what we're saying is we don't want any infill, we just want a solid case. Top bottom shell, I've been using this Archimedean chords, which is circular or concentric in other platforms, but it just sort of gives it a nice finish. You don't need to worry about the levels, we're not using infill, so ignore that. Speed, let's go nice and slow. So first layer 60, keep these at 100. This is okay. Go a bit slower if you want. Doesn't take long to print anyway, so you don't have to go stupidly fast. No support needed. You could do a skirt loop if you, well, no, don't do a skirt loop because you'll have to remove it, or brim or anything like that. We don't need any of that. Okay, so let's slice this. Let's have a look. I always run through it layer by layer. Let's have a look at that. So you can see a really, so you can see there we've got a nice solid watch case all the way to the top. See how Z seam, that's going to be nicely scarfed in so you won't see it. And then that is it. Now, I did say if you can't use scarf seam, I've got another tip. The fuzzy skin mode is a great way of hiding any sort of seams. Put this nice and low, I'm talking 0.1. Slice that. You're going to get a bit of fuzzy on the inside, it still goes together nicely, you see, and this will just hide any blemishes and sort of a more natural looking case. You can make this even smaller, I believe. You basically want it so that it's only just impacting the outside shell of the watch case. And that's, yeah, I don't think that's even going to get picked up. It's very subtly changed there. So, yeah, if you got any tips that you want to recommend, this is what I do on all my cases and I've been pretty pleased with them. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you've got any other tips for beginners or anyone who's just started 3D printed watches. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.